Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to install and configure Oracle VirtualBox on your machine. For that thing, first make sure that in your control panel, first of all, in your BIOS machine, make sure that your virtualization is actually enabled. Then again, make sure that in your control panel, in turn off Windows features on and off section, you enable virtual machine as well as Windows hypervisor platform. Okay, so these two things, this is actually a Windows 11 machine. Make sure that these two things are actually installed. Then again from the BIOS, before that, from the BIOS, make sure that your virtualization is actually enabled. Okay, now then we can go to download Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, Oracle VirtualBox. That I will download Windows version. It's a Windows machine, so I'm downloading it, the Windows version of that. Just download it. Just started downloading. So it's download complete. VirtualBox download complete. So I'm just launching it. So I'm just launching it. Just clicking on the next. So leave it, everything as it is. It's actually going to install on the C drive. Now I'm just starting installation. Yes, install. Once it gets installed, it might restart the machine. So it will wait for the installation to complete. Uh, so it's taking a bit time to install. So it's just finished with the installation. Now it's actually installed VirtualBox. So it launched the VirtualBox as well. So we'll see. Um, we'll try to import an appliances. Okay, so that we will take in the next session. Okay, thank you.